Once your image is drawn on the paper, it's time to decorate it. Now it's very important when decorating that you want to use a lot of colors, as I mentioned before, and these colors are going to really make the difference in your project. Together with making the colors, it's important to make the image should have some type of outline around it. So there really is no right and wrong when decorating the image, but the most important thing to keep in mind is that you want it to really look flashy, bright colors, and to make it to really stand out. This decorating really becomes the main part of the project, so it's good to know when you're working with kids that you should choose the supplies and the way you decorate it. Choose it carefully. You'll be under some time constraints, and also there's different children and different age groups have different abilities. Some of the kids find it easier to use glue and paint, and other kids find it easier just to draw freehand and apply colors right directly onto the paper. Now, as far as getting the original image, you might want to get the image beforehand, and then all the kids have to do is just go ahead and decorate it with different colors. That makes things a lot easier, and the kids feel more comfortable when the finished product comes out to be something of more of a defined image as opposed to something that they draw on paper, depending on the age group. So that's also something you might want to keep in mind, just to have a uniform image that is copied and then just have them decorate it. All of these things, when running projects for groups, are very important things that you have to really keep in mind and take an accounting for when. So now we see our image is colored. We see we chose some bright paint colors, some paint markers with silver and gold colors. And also we made the image nice and big, not with a lot of fine details, because when the folds are running down the paper, it's going to be hard to see any fine details. We just want to have some nice big image, and also you can notice how it takes up the full size of the paper from left to right. And this is basically how you want to make your image. So we now completed the first image that's going to be part of our reversible picture.